In the last lesson, we converted an existing page to a new format. This time, let's add a new blank page. To do so, we'll need to decide where we want this new blank page added. For example, if I have page 9 selected and click the Add Blank button, you'll notice that it adds the blank page right beside page 9. But we don't want that. Another option is I could click on page 10 and you'll see that the blank page now gets added over here, this page 11. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. The next thing we'll need to do here is select the format of this page. Now a shortcut is to just click on this little button down here and we can select the format right from this menu. So I'll go with the 2-photo layout with some text. Okay, now we can go ahead and add some images into our new page. We'll work with the text later on. Now say for example we wanted to reposition this entire block, page 11 and 12. Well, we could select both of them, hold the Shift key to select both, and you can drag the entire block to a new location. So say I wanted it after page 2. So now it's become page 3 and page 4. On the other hand, if you only want to move a single page, just click and drag it over to where you want it to go. And you'll see that it actually switches the two pages for you automatically.